Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to transfer Solana from Binance to the Phantom wallet in 2025. Now, it's a quick and easy process, but choosing the right network is super important so that you don't lose your tokens. So let's go through it safely and clearly. First of all, you need to come here on Binance.com. Then you need to log in into your account if you haven't already. You can also just simply download the Phantom extension if you are doing the process here in your desktop. Now, if you are doing it in your mobile device, you need to make sure that you have the Binance application as well as the Phantom wallet application installed. So over here, you are going to see the option of your profile icon. So simply hover over to your profile, then click on the option of dashboard. Over here in your dashboard, you just have to click on the option of assets, then go to the support section. Over here in the support, you are going to see all of the available balance in your account. So here you can just simply use this search icon and you can simply search for Solana. So once you are able to find Solana here in this list, you just have to simply select Solana, then click on the option of withdraw right next to it. So once you click on the option of withdraw, the option is going to be opened and it is going to look basically something like this. So here you need to fill out this form. So after selecting Solana here, you need to enter the destination address. So this address you are going to get from your Phantom wallet. So click on the option of your Phantom wallet just like so. Now you just have to click on the option of receive, then simply just copy this address from here. Now go back to your Binance account and paste the address here in this section. After that, by default, it is automatically going to select Solana as the network. So you need to make sure that it is auto matched. And if it doesn't auto match it, you just have to make sure that the Solana network is selected here. After that, simply enter the amount of Solana that you want to withdraw and click on the option of withdraw in the bottom right hand corner of the screen. So you just have to wait for 5 to 10 minutes in order to get your Solana from your Binance account to your Phantom wallet. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.